Good day and welcome back to iService. I'm Freddie du Plessis, Managing Director at iService. Today we're going to cover our newest model that's come in. It's the Bromic space heater, and it's a lovely unit. I've actually tested this unit over the weekend and had a very great experience with the heating I got from the unit. So let's start. The Bromic unit has got 6 panels in front. It's controlled from a button up top, so you can there see we can control either both or just one. It's battery ignited, so no manual ignition. And then what's nice about it, it actually doesn't just radiate heat from the front, it actually at the top it radiates heat from the top. What's also nice about the Bromic heater, it comes with a quick coupler section. And this, in essence, makes it very unique because your gas installer can actually install different gas points in and around your house. So you don't have to walk with the 9 kg, shift the unit with the 9 kg around, but essentially just pick up the unit, move it to another space, plug it in and start it up. And that's a very nice function of the unit to have. The Bromic space heater can heat anything between 60 to 70 squares of space. As with the traditional rollabout space heater, these units also need to be stored with a plastic cover, nice and sealed, away from dust and insects. Thank you for giving us your time today, and you can find us on social media or visit our website iService.co.za. Thank you and have a lovely day.